going on. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, if you're ready, make some noise! That's right. Drivers, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Let's get this night started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! All right, this match has already started. Goblins up those green blocks going into the foremost, and each one of those were 1 point. As they get the green box, it looks like we only have a jam, and that may come back. I heard with 44 seconds left. They may have to change their strategy. Let's see what they can do to adjust with that. As we get down to 37 seconds left, they're able to almost get out, and they do get it out. With drivers with that target, switching 3, 2, 1, switch. They have switched. That cube still blocking away. They're still over. They can't sort these cubes here. Going for some more green tower. They do get it. 20 seconds remaining. Here comes a massive drop to the third. Give me that green uniform.